We already have the application generated, so now let's run it. As we already know, the application was created with an integrated security module. So to run it, we need an enabled user. That is why we have an automatically created user and password. Here we have these login credentials. The username is admin. And to get the password, we select copy. We are going to access the generated back office. What is the back office of an application? It is the administrative or management part of the application that is not visible to end users. We then enter the credentials. We access the back office. By default, it is shown in light mode. But from here we can change it to dark mode if we prefer. On the left, we see a menu of options to access the defined entities and other automatically created functionalities. Let's select countries. We see that there is a set of preloaded data. This screen allows, at the level of each line, modifying or deleting a country. And from here, it allows inserting a new country. We select this option and enter Uruguay. We confirm and return to the main screen. If we want to make any modification to a record, we press Update. Or if we want to delete it, we press Delete. We confirm and the record is deleted. If we now choose Types, we see that it also offers a set of preloaded data. Both countries and types of shows are basic data. If we go, for example, to producers or shows, they are empty. Let's enter a show producer. Since we don't remember any at this point, we ask the integrated assistant for help. We go to System Chat and ask for the name of a music producer. Okay, to enter it, we go to Producers Insert. And confirm. We see that the name has a link. Selecting it will show a general tab with its detail and another Shows tab, where the shows associated with this producer will be listed. Then to register a show under their responsibility, we could select the Shows option in the menu. Or we can also do it from this Insert option in the Shows tab. What is the difference? When we do it from here, inside the producer's record, the producer is automatically associated with the show. We complete the information. We could also register the performances and confirm. If we go now to the Shows option in the menu, we see the registered show. Now let's insert a new show from here. We enter the information and notice that if we enter any value in the name of the producer, an error message is displayed indicating that this producer does not exist. This is because it will not be possible to register a show that has an associated producer that does not exist as such. The same happens with the type of show. It will not be possible to register a show associated with a type that does not exist as a show type. Okay. So we enter the correct name and confirm. To verify it, we query the producer. And we see the two associated shows. Now let's think about the following. What will happen if we try to delete this producer's record? Can we do it? Let's try. It informs us that the deletion is not valid because there is related information in shows. In the same way, we can work with the other entities. Okay, but this menu of options also allows us to access other functionalities. We have already seen that we have an integrated chat assistant. We can access the mobile application and also access the configuration of the security module. From here, we can define users, roles, security policies. There is also a panel to query statistical data of the logged-in users' activities. To close the session and log in with another user, go to this option and select Logout. Once we start working and getting to know this back office, we can come up with ideas to make modifications, add behavior, and create new functionalities to grow the application. So we need to be able to edit the created project. In the next video, we will see how to edit and continue working with the project.